Marami ang nangarap, ngunit iilan lang ang tumugon sa tawag na magsilbi ng buong puso at lakas para sa Diyos at sa bayan. Dugo at pawis ang inialay sa paghubog upang maging ganap na kasapi ng kawanihan. Hindi biro ang mga pagsubok. Dito sinusukat ang tibay ng loob.
Richard, move!
When we talk of reception rights, dito po nagsisimula ang rigid training ng ating mga trainees. To us, as tactical officers of Davao Prison and Penal Farm, during this time, we will erase all their pride and inculcate discipline. We will erase their civilian mentality and mold them to become a complete corrections officer or as a uniformed personnel.
As their tactical officer, it is our job to guide them, to mold them, and instill the honor code of trainees. Sa mga panahong ito, mararamdaman ng mga trainees ang pagod, hirap, at puyat sa rigid days nila. But it is all part and parcel of their job. So to all trainees, Class 02 of 2024, don't quit, enjoy lang.
Dito po matitest ang patience nila and on how they cope up with given tasks and situations. Full force po kami, mga tactical officers, with the guidance of our course supervisor and chief tactics. Ibibigay po namin ang lahat ng aming makakaya at kaalaman para sa ating mga trainees.
Ako nga pala si Romnick Ligan Tangaro, Battalion Commander ng COCBC Class 2024-02, Dasig Tikas. As a Battalion Commander, very challenging sa akin na i-handle ang 194 kong kaklase. Sa edad ko na 24 years old, nagawa kong mapasunod ang mga kaklase ko. Iba't ibang ugali ang nakakasalamuha ko araw-araw. Nasa unay medyo mahirap, pero sa paglipas ng mga araw namin dito sa training, nagawa namin magkaintindihan lahat.
Ang recognition rights ay isang phase ng training kung saan bibigyan natin sila ng kunting kaluwagan at ang kasama nila noon ay ang mga pribilehiyong katulad ng passes, cellphones, saka snacks na pwede rin naman naming bawiin agad-agad pagka meron silang nagawang mga kasalanan o kaya pagkakamali sa class. Dasig Tikas, congrats sa inyong recognition rights. Deserve nyo ang ma-recognize sapagkat nakikita namin na kayo ay nagbubuti sa inyong training para sa kapakanan ng Bucor.
It is an honor and pleasure to welcome you all to our much anticipated Sports Fest 2025. With a theme, camaraderie amid diversity, upholding team spirit and solidarity through sports.
Aside from showcasing their individual talent and camaraderie, the essence of Sports Fest here in the training camp is to allow trainees to bond with each other through engaging in sports to reduce their stress and improve their overall well-being. To the Dasig TICAS trainees, we, your tactical officers, hoping for your best, and we do hope to maintain your physique so that you can perform well in real McCoy.
I am CO1 trainee Kevin Ravi C. Mandapiton, and I am the class president of COCBC class 2024-02 Dasig TICAS. As a president, one of the challenges that I have faced as the president of the class is how to manage the diverse cultures, attitudes, and backgrounds of my classmates, and also to manage my time and myself as a trainee as well. My experience as a trainee of COCBC is sometimes we learn things the hard way, and also the training is life-changing. The training taught me to become disciplined, and as well as maintaining my composure and staying calm amid stress and pressure.
CO1 trainee Crystal J. W. Tabahonda, the Vice President of Class Dasig TICAS. As a Vice President, it is such an honor with great obligations as well. It is an honor to be trusted by your classmates, but it comes with great obligations since I occupy the second highest position among the officers. But then, it was never a burden for me since nagtutulungan naman po kami lahat ng officers kasama ang battalion staff at ni BATCOM. In terms naman po as a trainee, this has been a very challenging experience for me since I am a psychology graduate and I don't have a background in military training or COCBC. But then, baon-baon ko lang po talaga my life's mantra, which is, life is what we make it, so be at your best. At saka, totoo po talaga yung sabi nila na mas mapapadali ang training if you just have to follow. Follow and follow until you follow no more.
Our last run for the entire training for 6 months. We ran for 23 kilometers, and I want to congratulate everyone, all my trainees. No one left behind. They are strong and they are ready for graduation. I would like to congratulate everyone for all the support, especially for all the tactical officers. Thank you.
You will encounter individuals who have made mistakes, our PDLs, who are seeking redemption or may simply need a guiding hand. In those moments, remember that your influence can lead to positive change. You have the power to inspire hope and promote rehabilitation. As you embark on your career, I encourage you to carry the lessons you have learned here with you.
Sa pagtatapos ng pagsasanay, baon-baon namin ang mga aral at ang kapatirang nabuo na di kailanman mabubuwag. Ito pa lamang ang simula ng aming paglalakbay sa paglilingkod sa kawanihan ng koreksyon. Dala namin ng pag-asa para sa mga naligaw ng landas. Magsisilbing kanilang gabay at liwanag.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim. Turing ang iyong sarili.
Kayo ang pinalan na makuha, mapili ng Bureau of Correction dahil kayo po ang pinakamagaling dasig pikas sa grupo ng Second Batch 2024.
Tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo, isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim, harapin mo, magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag.
My message to my tactical officers is thank you so much for guiding us and teaching us all the things that we need to know in the real McCoy, and always reminding us that always go back to basics. And to my classmates, see you in the real McCoy, and hope that we will do our best. We would apply all the things that we learned in this training, and let us soar high and let's lift up the name Dasig Pikas.
To all my classmates, this is not the end, but the beginning of a more challenging and fulfilling journey in the Bureau of Corrections. We shall now be applying all our learnings in the real McCoy. So thank you so much for all the friendship, camaraderie, and excellence we have shared together. And once a Dasig Pikas will always be a Dasig Pikas.
I now declare the COCBC Class 2024-02 Dasig Pikas DPPF graduate effective this date. Congratulations.